Oops, sorry. I'm not ready yet. We'll be back in a minute. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. My name is Gingi. I made this video to show you a WhatsApp trick I learned some time back. First, I'll type some text. It says, nothing in the world is more than, than, than dangerous than sin, sin, sin. It's very tough for me to read and I'm just a kid. I didn't write it myself. I copied from my dad's book. Here I did some magic and changed the font of text. Here I made the size of text small. Here I made the text little bigger. And here I made the text more big. Sorry, I'm having some cough and cold. Now I'll show how I did it. To change the font of text, add 3 commas in the beginning and end of text. Oh, sorry. It's not comma. It is apostrophe. My mom told this. To change the font size, go to settings in WhatsApp, go to chats and go to fonts and select the font size. First I select small and see the text becomes small. Now I select medium to make the text little more bigger. Now I select large to make the text more big. See, it was very easy. You can also do it. Thank you for watching this video. Now I am going to play with my friends. Bye!